G'day guys and gals, and welcome to the Quadding Seuss channel. Today on QTube we're going to do a tutorial on truck bed box lighting. Let's get started. So my son has a 2017 Ram and he has lighting in the box, like inside the box, and so when you're loading at night it just lights it right up. And I saw this and I got really jealous because my 2010 Tundra, it doesn't have that. So I went on Oxbeam's site, oxbeam.com, and took a look what they had. Sure enough, they've got this. LED deck lighting. Okay, this isn't how it came. I shoved it back in the package to do this video. It was nicely wrapped. All right, so LED strips, 3M tape, and with the magic of editing, I'll get this all straightened out real fast. So this is for one side, and I'm going to hide it underneath the railing, so you can't see them. Just like so. Invisible. And this, then there's another one for the other side. You got a switch. And the switch, I'm just going to mount in the corner here, somewhere where I can reach it. And then hot and neutral wires. That's it. So I got to just hook this up to something live. So straight to the battery, obviously. All right, I'm doing it. You guys don't get to watch. Sorry. It's not going to be that interesting anyway. So there you go, there's the finished product. Can't see anything because I've hid these underneath here. And the switch I mounted right there, I wired the whole thing into the cargo light switch on the inside. And then this is just a separate switch for the lights. That's what it'll look like at night. I could have made it brighter by mounting the lights at a different angle. Like I have them basically shining against the box wall, and of course with the box liner on, it's not going to reflect a whole lot of light. But I didn't want them to be seen, and so this was the best way to do it. But it still provides a ton of light inside the box, like at night when you're coming back from quadding and it's pitch black outside. I mean, it's gonna make a huge difference. That's it. All done. Thanks for watching.